Technodom revenue is close to €500 million. Its profitability is about €10 million. We got fresh new website. Project was great, and the result really excited. 20 working days. 20 working days. It's like unbelievable. I'm Vaclovas, Chief Product Officer, current in the Ermitazas, like a DIY store in Lithuania. And today I'm willing to represent my experience with implementing two websites, one in Kazakhstan and second in the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, plus .com websites. So starting with Kazakhstan project, this is Technodom operator website, rebuilding, replatforming from sub-hybrids. The current naming is the sub-commerce, replatforming from sub-commerce to the Magento. About the Technodom size itself, like it's close to 8,000 employees, 82 stores, and one brand store in 28 cities, and headquarters is located in Kazakhstan. Almaty is the second largest city, or even the largest city in the Kazakhstan. Technodom operator itself, the revenue is close to €500 million. It's very big, and the profitability is about €10 million. That's the big chain of the electronics and DIY products, as the marketplace seller. And when we started like a project, first, like I wanted to share some internal, some local online issues. So here in the screen, you can see that here is the office of Technodom operator, and very close by, close to the street, in the next part of the street is the school located. And when we moved to the, Kazakhstan and started on the project, it was like an issue that the website was accidentally shut down by the government because it's too close to the school. And by the local law, is like selling N80, like adults items online is forbidden if you close the schools. And they're not looking at online, don't have the walls. They just look at on the physical map. It's too close, shut down, and then investigated how to restore the website and to find the internal inner ways with local government just to restore the website, keeping them aligned. Second part is that from time to time internet fluctuate in Kazakhstan, and there's some samples that Flickr, Tumblr, and etc. Routine is from time to time is blocked, and the cloud services have the issues on the censoring, just not working. And during the elections, etc., some fluctuations, its website is not reachable or not working some tools. For example, cloud services for a pricing, for a data analysis, or the marketing automation definitely will not work, or from time to time not work. So where we started, so it was front end with 22 active zones and now colors of rainbow. So as you can see in the sample, there's plenty of variation, like there was even close to 20 different banners on the front page, and difficult to navigate. So that's the starting. And we aim it to the, make as much closer to the maybe AliExpress or etc., something like similar. And the weakest parts and the process level, not only in technology front end, but also back end side, is like a pickup from stores process, upgrade on commercial marketing campaigns, planning and execution on the website, and the mobile traffic execution. Maybe that was the biggest part of the how to deal with the front end. This is the big percentage of the mobile traffic. And of course, the order processing, because the order processing all the time goes the semi-manual way. It's like a search orders in the hybrids, select orders, checking the accounting system 1S, then select order, check product availability, call customer, get approval from the customer, make reservation of the product, check payment, proceed with delivery, order pickup. And that store, that process will start when the customer will come. So that's the beginning, how we're moving. And this is the about the challenge on this project. It was like moving from Hybris to Magenta. I load the 100 requests per second, and more than 100,000 products moving from Hybris product cockpit to the Akineo. So this big challenges on the project side itself, the operational side, through omnichannel organizing and shipping from the physical stores and the warehouses. Especially it was very difficult and for us to clear out about the SEA on the PWA and overall redirection to the correct links and the metadata. So all the challenges was aimed, and let's go with Magenta and PWA. So why we decided go with PWA? During the analysis and the selection of the technology where to aim, we look at on the Kazakhstan challenges, plus we check at that big, more than half visits abandoned with the mobile site, that the website is loading longer than 3 seconds on load. And we look at for decision, it's mobile web on the or mobile application. Internally, there was a big debates where to aim in a mobile website or mobile application. And today, we found it as the solution that takes advantage and strengths of both, like and mobile website and mobile application for a better experience, and can eliminate friction for using this web to deliver end customer level experience. Our main targets was replace sub-Hybris commerce system to the Magenta and product cockpit to Akineo, prepare new design concept, and rebuild enter page on new front end, like PWA. Same time, we need to take sub-Hybris support, ongoing development on conversion rate increase, then the platforming for Magenta and Akineo, all the data migration, what is needed from the past system or the Hybris system and to the Magenta. And of course, the parallel it goes, my colleague Žilvinas project is launching warehouse management system, Equinox. This is operational change as well on the backend side and the operational side, and integration Magenta with Equinox. But just honor to the Equinox team and the Žilvinas that was quite easy. Project means website need to handle more than 3 times traffic and orders during the Black Friday, and fast front end for optimal user behavior. And website need to work comfortable as possible without network in the metro or etc. where we are going, and automate e-commerce order processing flow, as I told before. And how we establish that? So it means we prepare it together with ScandiPWA realization backlog plus Magenta backlog on realization. And the biggest challenge in our like a PWA realization was the different modules, but we are having already in sub-Hybris frontend, and to replace them in new system. This is the big challenge was for a technical team, but as you can see here, we planned to do that in 4 months, but actually it's took it longer. Never like I think that it's possible to do in such a quick way. And the second project what I will represent it was even faster, but this project took it like our result in 7 months, in 2 weeks, and we got a fresh new website. Build it on totally automated order processing, increased user engagement, application app-like usability on all devices, and 0 downtime during all the deployments. Was great, and even the expectation for the head management was great at 0 downtime during deployments. It's impressive. And after the deployment and launching on PWA, we saw results that increased at more than 20% on the conversion rate and itself the revenues, what we are getting there. So project was great, and the result really excited. So that's working, and even now the developing future. Next project what I launched last year, it was like rebuilding Sportland Estonian, Latvian, Lithuanian, and the com websites. And how we started. It was the WordPress-based web page with manually updated product catalog, mainly with reviews as catalog, with static info for reviews and no e-commerce-based process flow, which later during the first quarantine and countries was implemented in the WordPress, but very buggy and not working as needed. And now, but at the end of the a year, so even on the November, we already had 3 operative websites, LVLT, and a global website for English-speaking visitors, Sportland.com. And how quick we realized that. Original plan was at the beginning of the year that let's launch sport outlet realization. It's totally another outlet project, and to have the MVP launch in the June with Technodom integration. But that COVID-19, this a sickness and the quarantine plans in all the countries, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, is drastically changed in the plans. And we decided to build everything for a main Sportland branded store with existing brands and rebuild all the websites, Lithuanian, Latvian, Estonian, on Magenta with PWA front-end. Semi-manual catalog imports to ERP, from ERP, and that was amazing journey. And we launched from the after analysis and started technical work. We launched Sportland website for first country in 20 working days. 20 working days. It's like before that project, I think it's unbelievable. It's not true. It's like if somebody will tell, I will tell you that's bullshit. It's not true. You maybe on Notepad did something, etc. But actually, it's doable. It's doable with ScandiPWA ready frameworks, and the team which is behind knows how to work on that. That's doable. And even from the beginning, over that close to 3,000 orders there was placed at, and during the second quarantine, its system holds all the orders processing and working from the Riga central warehouse, so everything works. Top priorities: website development, website main page, Sportland.com, implement Akineo workflow with integration with Magenta, and plus realize everything for traffic, SEO, and marketing. About the Sportland vision, there was in-store kiosk, multiple warehouses, RMA, live chat and e-bot, multi-bank link address, auto-completion, etc. So aims was great, and almost big part of them was implemented. So from ERP, it comes data, sizes, prices, stocks in the middleware, which is both custom made. It's regular check for product sizes, stocks, and thanks for Heidi Aboresland, the most experienced project manager, what they saw that it was doable to do that. The Akineo integration with Magenta, and Magenta visible data, PDP, PLT realization on PVA, images, filters, all the SEO data implemented on place, and the websites during launch assortment status was that we know all the data, how they are moving, how they are in Akineo getting enrichment, where is the stock amounts, and what is sellable online from warehouse. This is at the beginning. What we got at the end of the project is that all the product assortment are from online sales, are for online sales, not only from warehouse, but also from the stores. It's pure omni-channel seller and live automated product pricing, stocks amounts, and synchronization with the ERP system. Akineo product data and enrichment flow inside the company for different multi-language, 4 different languages: Lithuanian, Latvian, Estonian, English. Plus is planned to have also Russian language for a Russian-speaking audience, which is quite big in Estonian and Latvian countries. And ongoing integration with automated marketing and communication tools. So UI, SRO, SEO, everything in place with PVA. And that's a technology brings that for people inspiration and that good feelingness about the application. So website works, project successful, and moving forward with upcoming projects.